I am going to talk about a really cool breath today called the Ego Eradicator. Okay, so our Smurf, are you going to stay or are you going to go? What are you doing? Okay, actually, what I could do, we could do dog breath video, or shall we leave that for the next one? We'll leave that for the next one. Okay, we're going to do the Ego Eradicator today. Now, the Ego Eradicator is really good for tuning into the heart energy. Yeah. It also uses the breath of fire. So if you don't know the breath of fire, go and check out that video up there. And get to grips with the breath of fire first. Yeah. So practice your breath of fire. And then once you've got that, you can come back and do this video. So the other thing that we have in the Ego Eradicator breath is we use the hands. We use a mudra, and this is the mudra. So you are plugging your fingertips into these little mounds on the top of your palm, and then our thumb is sticking out to the side, and then what you do is you plug them in at a 60-degree angle. I want you to make sure you are sitting comfortably. Are you sitting comfortably, Smurf? Are you going, are you? He's going. He's off. Never work with children and animals. Like I say, if you don't know breath of fire, go and check that video out there. If you're comfortable with breath of fire, then fantastic. Don't forget to have a bit of tissue handy, just in case you need to blow your nose, because sometimes stuff comes out. So this breath, the arms are at 60 degrees, okay? And what you're doing is you're plugging your thumbs into the ceiling, okay? So get your 60 degrees, plug your thumbs in, and we're going to close our eyes. And then we're going to begin the breath of fire. Keep that going. So don't forget, if at any point with the breath of fire you feel a bit dizzy, then stop, come back to normal breathing, and then come back to the breath of fire when you're ready. So we're going to keep this going for a little bit longer. Okay, we're going to bring the thumbs together up over the head so the thumb tips touch, and then we're going to spread the fingers out. We're suspending the breath here, and then we can release the hands down. And open the eyes. So can you feel that? Can you feel that right here at your heart chakra? So the way I see that 60 degrees, it's like you're a funnel. So you're bringing that energy down, all the way down through the top of your head into your body. Okay. So if you feel that you need to, you can ground after that. And you can use that. This particular pranayama is used in the kriya, for one kriya anyway, for the heart chakra. But you can use this on its own, independently of that particular kriya. I hope you've enjoyed this. So you can practice that, whenever you feel like maybe, ego is getting a little bit in your way, for example. So if you're getting in your own way, do this breath. I wouldn't say it's an advanced breath, although you do need to be familiar with the breath of fire. So definitely go and check out the breath of fire video up there if you're not familiar with it. Also, like I say, if you feel the need to connect with your heart chakra a little bit more, there is the heart breath, which will be at the end of this video. Okay. Any links down below. So other places where we hang out, obviously we're here on YouTube, we're also on BitChute, all under the Witch's Path. We are also on Soundcloud, where there's loads of different things on there. There's all sorts. There's meditations, there's our music, there's like radio plays, there's all kinds of things on there. There's mashups that Ian used to do. Loads of stuff on Soundcloud under the Witch's Path. We are also on Pinterest as well. Now and again I go and post stuff on Pinterest. Did I say we're on MeWe under the Witch's Path as well? And we are also on Patreon. So if you want to access our courses via a small subscription fee, then you can do that via Patreon. But if you want to access our courses in different ways, the links for those are underneath this video. Oh, don't forget to like this if you liked it. If you didn't, then don't like it. You can comment below, tell me, your experiences of using this breath. What happened? What, did you have an experience? Let me know down below in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe as well and hit the bell, because if you don't hit the bell, you don't get the videos and you don't stay in the circle. I'm going to say be fearless and stay witchy.